I'm Marta Sanchez. I own Casa Sanchez, which is right here on 24th and York. Casa Sanchez has been around since 1924. And this is the place where we started the Casa Sanchez famous chips and salsa. The best thing I ever ate in the Mission are the donuts at Dynamo Coffee Shop. They're awesome. I work next door at Casa Sanchez, so that was kind of natural, but I'm glad that they're here because we needed a place like that. I mean, there are a lot of good panaderias, but this is different and there's like nothing, no other place like it. My boyfriend loves the bacon apple. Sounds weird as a donut, but it's really, he loves it. This is the molasses Guinness, and you want to smell it? It's good. It's really good. They make them here. It's got a really nice atmosphere. It's perfect. You just gotta try it. You just gotta check it out.